Not sure about getting this governor off. There's a little washer that sits here under the bearing. So, I don't know. I may try and get that apart. But there's an awful lot of rust going on underneath. I'd like to get rid of that rust. That would be nice, but I don't know. Don't know. Ah! I pinched my thumb. Okay. Well, not too bad. I wonder if that pink is like a color coding. Color coding. So let's see. With those off, these metal bits come off. Oop. Okay. Oh, and then this twists off. Okay, look at that. That twists off. Comes right off. Okay. Then what have we got? Okay. Lost the battery again. Where was I? I don't remember. Got the governor taken apart. I verified that these part numbers are the same. I'm going to go ahead and buy a couple new bearings. Let's see, got this guy cleaned up as best I could. I decided not to try and get this plastic guy off because I'm afraid it'll just break. So I cleaned this up as best I could, got the grease off, got some of the rust off, clean that up better later, and I started cleaning up some of the other pieces. Some of the bigger pieces are over there. Okay, little contact points here that this bit that connects up with the governor. I decided to clean them a little bit with some super fine sandpaper I had laying around. Okay, that's looking pretty good. That's about as much as I can do as far as cleaning things up, but I think it turned out okay. So let's see, putting this here governor back together. And then these guys, so I don't remember the what is it? I don't remember very well. Let's see. Something like that. No, it was something like that. Ah, yeah, I should have it. Let's see, here's some. Oh, it's in there. Ah, okay, no. But, yeah. Okay. Yep, it's in there, it's in there, it's in there. Yeah, and there's just one. Yep. Okay. Oh, I got. Keep that from rolling around somewhere. Okay. I got an adapter in the mail. Look at that monstrosity. But that will hook onto there, and that will hook onto the 2¼ inch socket. Alright, which means we can finally put that on there. Which means we can finally give this guy a try. And if this doesn't work, I can always put something on there to, you know, like a breaker bar or something. But and if all that doesn't work, well, we'll just, it'll work, right? It'll work. Let's go try it out. Plug it in and make some noise, huh? Okay. I'm ready to put stuff together. Let's see. Where is everything? I got brand new bearings, and I got some painting done. So how about that, huh? Alright, so we've got on the governor end here, that goes on, that goes on. Okay, that's on there. I wonder if it would go on easier if we put a little grease on there first. I don't know. Let me try it. Let's see. I need some kind of pipe or something. I should put all the pressure on the erase there where it belongs. Oh. Okay. Unfortunately, we're not quite there yet. We got just a little bit more to go. Let's see what else I can find that might be a little longer, maybe. There we go. Okay, that's on there now. Okay. Now, this one needs a little bit of grease. And a little bit on this guy. Okay. Oh, Yep. That worked, I think. Yeah, that's all bottomed out now. Look at that. Okay. Well, oh, let's see. So we have this guy now. Okay. So that goes back on here. Screws, 4 screws. Let's see, do we unplug the other? Oh yeah, there's one that might figure it out. Okay. Why is that having trouble going all of a sudden? Different threads? I think so. I'll try and through. It's weird. I just think there are the wrong screws in there. But yeah, we're ready to put the motor back together, the cover back on here. So we just got to make the proper connections, huh? So let's see. Oh yeah, grommets. Let me get grommets first. Oh, I haven't even opened it yet. Well, gee whiz. See what we got. All sorts of grommets. Okay, let's pick one. Actually, let's pick two that are about the right size. Those look about the right size. Right, maybe a little smaller. We've got smaller ones. Can't make them too small or we won't be able to fit the wire ends through. Okay, yeah, let's try those. Okay, so these three came out of that one. Actually, that grommet is in pretty shape. I also decided, but yeah, with these on. Okay, I'll get them through this hole. Okay, now let's set that right in place. Yeah, why? I don't know. That was confusing for a second. Okay, that goes to the front. It's number 1. Number 4. Not that one. Small capacitor. There we go. Okay, so that one goes to small capacitor. And the other end, that one goes to small capacitor. So we'll get those two. Put it there. Probably. There's one. There's the other one. And we drop. Let's see. Maybe we'll do it easier from outside. I think just about something's hanging up there. There we go. Okay. All right. So let's see. That There's the other end. So that's coming from, okay, so we need to put a quick connect on here. Let's see if I can find, I have any, I was hoping to have one of those, I don't know what you call it, insulated, I guess, self-insulated. I think that's not like a big here, but that's what I got there. Okay, grab one of these, and one of these, make sure it fits. So I different sizes of these things, yeah, okay. So, oh, and we'll do the original connecting material, huh? Alright. Alright, so there's one. Okay. So, let's see, what do we have left? We've got, okay, that one's used. Okay, so we got three left. Okay, so this is number 4. So that is gonna hook to this one. Okay, that is number 1. That's gonna hook to this one. And this is front number 2. So that's the one that goes through. Let's see. That goes through and plugs into number 2. 4. Where's number 2? Oh, there's number 2. Okay, I see. Okay. There we are. And that should be that. We got that little thing that pokes through there. See that? That one I'm going to set into the what was I talking about? The area down here. I think I have to see into that that thing was completely shut. So I don't know if that's started or not. Oh, where did my turny thing go? There it is. Oh, that's okay. We got the quarter. What's the next size? There we go. 11/32. That's right. We're all over the place for one of those. Okay. Okay. Neat. And the small guy was connected up. Okay. Covers. Okay, so the black one goes, oh, okay, the white one goes there. Black one goes there. Ground goes there. Okay. Then we've got, well, the wire just sort of already goes there, and then I think yeah, it looks like that pushes on that, huh? Okay. Alright, well. So, I think we can get these started. Okay. There we are. All right. Well, let's see if we can figure out how to test this guy without electrocuting ourselves, huh? Okay, I got it very temporarily wired. So let's see how it goes. Nice! Seems to work. You can hear the governor working too.